I am Bandara WMLN under registration number EG20214426. Today, we are presenting AutoTrust Bank, an agentic AI customer support chatbot built for the banking domain using LangGraph, DistilBERT, retrieval, augmented generation, and a local LLMA language model. Let us start with the problem this system solves. Banks face a difficult choice. Human agents are expensive, inconsistent, and unavailable at 2 a.m. when a customer's card gets blocked. Keyword chatbots break the moment a customer replaces their question, salary didn't land, and credit transfer is missing, meaning the same thing but share no keywords. And plain large language models introduce a new risk, hallucination. Ask an LLM what your loan EMI is, and it will give you a confident surrounding but potentially wrong number. In banking, a wrong number is not a user experience problem, it is a liability. Our system sits in the gap between these two extremes. It uses transformer-based classifiers to understand natural language regardless of phrasing. It uses retrieval augmented generation to ground every response in real documentation. And critically, it bypasses the language model entirely for any query that requires a financial figure, EMI calculations, FD maturity amounts, transfer fees, all computed in Python with 100% deterministic accuracy.
Let's see our system architecture. At the core is a 9-node pipeline. A greeting is caught instantly, no AI needed. A balance check goes straight to the database. Only a complex questions like how do I report fraud travels the full path to the language model, which search our knowledge base and response. Next one is the agent loop. The AI decide how many times to search before answering. Simple questions, one search. Complex questions, 2 or 3 searches combined into one answer. The model's weight are completely frozen, so its behavior is fully predictable and auditable. Next one is key design decisions. There are 3 guarantees. First one is every financial figures come from a Python formula, not the AI. Second one is customer identifier never touches the AI. It can't be leaked. Third one is our usage tracker only detects whether a field is empty, never what was typed. Now I will hand over to Dini to continue research and discussions part.
Our system is both accurate and efficient. Our fine-tuned DistilBERT model achieves 91% accuracy across 77 banking intent classes while using fewer resources than BERT. We also compare 2 Llama models. The 1 billion model passed only 3 out of 15 tests, while the 3 billion passed 12 out of 15, with the remaining issues solved through prompt engineering. The system provides 100% accurate financial calculations using Python instead of AI, and common banking requests like ratings, balance checks, and calculator queries respond in under 50 milliseconds. Our solution supports the full banking experience with intent detection, agentic crack, sentiment-based escalation, secure account access, multi-turn conversations, financial calculators, product pages, privacy-friendly UX monitoring, and a live analytic dashboards, all running locally without external APIs. Now I'll hand over to Nimesha for the demonstration.
Thank you. Now I am going to talk about the demonstration part of the our advanced AI project. And in here, first of all, I can log in as the customer ID and PIN number. Actually, if we need to sign up, actually we can also create the account. And so now I log in as the customer ID within the PIN. So actually, this is the our UI in here we can see that customer support chat window, and after that there are some kind of uh, pages for personal loan, housing loan. Like there are some kind of services are there in this bank, and they are displayed like in this way. If we need to go into the personal loan, you can see that there are some information within the personal information, and if we need to calculate some kind of thing, actually we can get the support of this chatbot. That is the thing you need to highlight. All of the chat or within the chat, or you can get all of the information related with those services. That is a special thing in this customer support chatbot, and he can also identify your real-time data and all of the things. And now I will do some demonstration. So think about, now I will firstly ask about the hello message. Hello. Yes, he has the ability to identify the greetings. And now you can see the response hi before we get started. What should I call you? Now I will tell my name. So yeah, you can see the response is good. So now I will ask some kind of questions. Now I need to get my current balance of the account. Now I will ask what is my balance. So you can see this is the current balance of the account, and you can see this. If we need to give some feedback, actually we can give in this way. So now I will ask about some questions. Think now I am asked how to apply personal loan. You can see step by step. Actually, you can see the response. Yes. Now I will ask the what is the current FD rate. So they will ask next what is we are going to deposit. So I will give this kind of amount. Next they ask about the how durations. Actually those things are there is a relationship between those all messages, and I mean there is some history we are saved in here. So you can see FD rate are calculated. So you can see this kind of amount, and in here displayed that what is the interest and amount, like all of the details clearly, like a statement they mentioned. So that's the thing I need to highlight in this chatbot. So conclusion, what I need to say, actually this kind of uh, chatbot can identify the lot of customer issues, because of the most of the time the customers are coming to the bank for asking some kind of customer their deposit balance and FD rate and those kind of details. Actually, within this kind of chatbot, actually we know that we are doing some kind of access for the we are doing some kind of access for the real time data. But if we do some kind of things more securely, actually we can reduce bank. Yeah, we can reduce the bank time also. Yeah, that's the thing I need to highlight.